Hello everyone, good morning. This is Kiran Mukotra. Welcome to our next lecture. In our previous lecture, we discussed about the oil singing plant of coconut. So now let's we discuss about the oil singing plant of sunflower. So first of all, we discuss about the origin and history. The sunflower is a common name. The scientific name is a Helianthus anus. So the sunflower is a oil. It is another example of the semi-drying oil. It is obtained from the seed of the Helianthus anus. They belongs to the family of Astraceae. The plant is a native of Peru or Mexico of Central America. It means the sunflower is a semi-drying oil and they are the obtaining from the seed of the Helianthus anus and they belongs to the family of Astraceae. And generally they are the native from the Central American in this the Peru or Mexico. You can see this in the geographical map. The A area, they are the greatest use of this the wild sunflower of the Helianthus anus. Then in this arrow position, it means they are B in the migration of the Helianthus anus to the east region. Then a region of this C, there the probable center of the domestication of sunflower, and the D in this the distribution of the wild Elenthus tuberous sites of the sunflower cultivation by the Indian in the historical time. So they are the different area in this the sunflower are production. The sunflower is extensively cultivated for the oil in the temperate region of the Russia and European country like the Spain, Hungary, Romania, Bulgaria and Argentina and some extent in USA, Canada and the tropical parts of the India, Asia and the many of the African country. Russia is the largest producer of this sunflower. In India it is growing the 2.13 mh2 in this yield of the 1.12 mh. It means the generally the sunflower is a cultivation for this oil purpose and they are generally grow in this like the Russia, European country in this different region, then USA, Canada, India, Asia and Africa. So in this mostly in this area they are the cultivated. In the present time the sunflower seed oil is playing an important role in the world's vegetable oil industry. It means the sunflower seed they are the use for this vegetable oil in these industries. It has come to acquire the third position among the edible oil and the top trend in the international market. It means that in this the edible oil in the position of the sunflower is a third position and but after the international marketing of this shop they are the useful. And until 25 years back it is occupied the 9th position. It means last 25 years the sunflower has the position is the 9th position. You can see these they are the flowers of these the Helianthus. In these the flowers the rare floret and disc floret are present. They are generally position of the sunlight period. In this stem the hair structure are present. The leaf is a simple leaf and the leaf are generally alternate arrangement. So you can see these they are the field of this grow the sunflower and they are the seed of this sunflower. In India the sunflower cultivation has picked up in the recently year. It is beginning cultivated on the large scale in the Punjab, Haryana, Karnataka and Maharashtra. So in this 4 regions they are mostly cultivation of this sunflower. So there is the region of this growing the sunflower. Then now we discuss about the botanical description. The plant is a coarse plant. It means they are the rough and hard surface. They are the tall and annual plant. It means in this the seed are produced in the per year. It has a woody stem which is covered with the rough hair. In the stem is a generally woody stem because they are the shrub plant. And on this surface of this stem the hair are present. It is generally 5 to 10 feet in height. It means they are generally shrub plant. The heart large ovate or cordate and dark green colored the leaves are borne in the alternate manners. It means generally the phyllotex is the alternate. The inflorescence is the capitulum or head which is usually terminal. You can see these in this picture. They are the flower arrangement. They are the capitulum flower. Okay, they are the position of this head position. There are the two kind of floret generally are present, the disc floret and a ray floret. The outer layer it is known as the ray floret and the central floret it is known as the disc floret. The seed contains the 55 to 60% of the linoleic acid and 25 to 30% of oleic acid. So they are the percentage of this acid they are present in this seed of this sunflower. In a cool temperature, the climate, the seed are contain the 17% of linoleic acid and 15% of oleic acid. So in this cool temperature and the hot temperature, they are the different amount of this oil in this seed. While in this hot area, they are the 20% in linoleic acid and the 65% of oleic acid. The semi-drying oil is usually 32 to 45% and they are the pale yellow in color and the oil extracted by the hot and cold expression. So they are the same processes to the production of this coconut oil. They are the hot and cold expression process. The sunflower seed oil meals the contain over the 40% of the high grade protein. It means in this protein are present of this 40%. It is sweet in taste and the quality wise they are the good as the comparison of this sesame and soybean meal. Generally the sunflower oil after the refined get a pleasant flavor has actually keeping quality. The sunflower seed unlike the soybean and copra they do not require the sophisticated machinery for processing. It means they are the easily removing of the oil for the sunflower. They are the not sophisticated to comparison of the soybean and copra. So they are the botanical characteristic of this plant. Generally they are the shrubby plant. This stem is a weak stem and the woody stem the rough hair structure are present. Generally their inflorescence is the capitulum type and in this inflorescence the ray floret and disc floret are present. In generally they contain of the linoleic acid and oleic acid. They percentage are different from this area wise. So now we discuss about the cultivation and harvesting. The several variety of sunflower, particularly then the Russian variety, are today widely grown in India. It means the most often in India and throughout region the Russian variety are grown. The seeds are sown in a row with the help of drill. Large spacing between the plant are better yield, and if the plant get grounded thinning process is the practice. It means generally the seed are grown in a single row, but in this two seed it means the two plant the spacing are large because they in this process the better yield are production. The stalk of the mature plant they are cut leaving about the 3 inch from the base and the stalk are left in the open for drying them. The capitulum inflorescence of this plant they separated from the threshing purpose. It means generally the plant are growing, then the stalk after the maturation the cutting of the 3 inch above this the soil portion, and after they are the drying process of this stalk in the upper portion of this inflorescence they are the generally capitulum type. They are the separated from the threshing purpose and in this the seed are obtaining, and in this seed the hot and cold expression the oil are concentrated. So after this the are the some uses of the sunflower oil. So the oil is a use for the cooking medium. It is the very good salad oil and it is used in the margarines. It is also used for the manufacture of the butter substitutes. The semi-drying oil is used in the manufacture of the paints, varnish, soap and cosmetics. The seeds are a good poultry for this food. The cake is used for the stock feed and the sunflower oil is the honey and wax. So in this lecture we discuss about the origin and history of this sunflower. They are known as the Helianthus anus. They belong to the family of Astraceae. And then the botanical characteristic, then the cultivation and harvesting, and after the extraction of this oil, then some ecological factor. It means they are the grow in which region, and then the some uses we discuss in this. So in this lecture we completed our the oilseed plant of sunflower. So in this next lecture we discuss about the another oil sending plant. Thank you.